हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल बी अ प्रोग्रामर में। सो टुडे आई हैव कम अप विद अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो बिकॉज बहुत लोग मेरे से बोल रहे थे कि 10th पास 12th पास के लिए कुछ वीडियोस बनाइए। तो आज हम ऐसी वीडियो पे आ गए हैं। सो वी हैव कम अप विद अ ग्रेट वीडियो एंड वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट एवरीथिंग लाइक हाउ टू यूज दिस एंड वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द Amazon Flex. Today we are talking about Amazon Flex and it is very important like how to apply in Amazon Flex, how you can be a delivery partner in Amazon Flex as delivery Amazon Flex is basically a delivery partner, एक delivery partner है. So how can you do this and what are the steps we are going to follow, what are the things, how can you apply, where to apply, everything will be cleared in this video. So before starting this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel because we are coming up with these kind of videos, like how to apply with these kind of videos, what are the things we are going to do. We'll be talking about everything. Let's start with the video and let's see how to do it. So the first step is open any browser, go to any browser and just search here Amazon Flex. If you will search this, you will can go to the site. This is the basic site, make money, that is 120 rupees, 140 rupees. If you are a college student, you can also use this, and there are basic requirements that you need to have. We will also talk about the basic requirements in the further video, so be tuned with this. And we will also showing you like it is an application. So as you can see on my screen, this is the basic site of Amazon Flex. As we have just clicked on Amazon Flex site, I will mention the link of this video also, link of this site in the description also, and I will also show you some things. So in this, what we need to do, हमें करना है क्या इस job में? The thing is that the basic your job is that you need to just deliver the things. You will get some packages and you just need to deliver that. That is the basic job, and you will make about 120 to 140 rupees per hour depending on your what work you do and how much packages you do. So it will depend on your time. Like if you give 2 hours, it will give you more money. It is time dependent and there is no work pressure. Like nobody will say that you have to, it is compulsory, आपको compulsory है कि दिन भर आपको काम करना है या इस दिन काम करना है. It is your duty that you will decide like I will be available for 2 hours. So I will show you everything like how to do it. And you need a mobile phone, like Android mobile you need, and some free time, and I will show you something. And one thing is that you need to enter your details like I am entering here. You need to enter your details. This details is used like you can enter this details, and like I have entered this much of details, and I will like type of the vehicle. In type of the vehicle we will see I use two-wheeler. If you have two-wheeler vehicle, if you have three-wheeler, four-wheeler, you can like download. This is only for downloading the application. Because it is not available on your Play Store, so it is only for downloading the application. I will click on get the app. So see, when I have clicked on get the app, I have came to this page that is thank you, and you can download the app. Now let's go to our mobile screen, to our Android device, and I will show you everything like how can you register, what are the things required, what are the documents required. I will show you everything practically, and what are the locations in which your Amazon Flex is available. So I will show you everything practically. If you will click on this download app, the app will get downloaded for sure. So let's go to our mobile screen. So as you can see on my mobile screen, this is the basic app that is I have installed. When I downloaded it, the same procedure that you follow for downloading it, and I will click on Amazon this. Okay, so what is required to use this? You have to just sign in to you with your Amazon account. Amazon account is only required to sign in, so I will sign in. Just like which account, जो account आप use करते हैं shopping site में, इसके Amazon shopping site में, e-commerce में, वही चीज़ आप यहाँ पे use कर सकते हैं. So I will just sign in into this. So as you can see, I have signed into my application, and it is asking like it is giving me some safety measures that I have to wear a mask while delivering. So I will click on OK, and I have to select my region. This is the region like in which area you are, and these are the region which are available. And I will tell you one thing that if I select this, suppose my area is not available in this. Suppose I am from Gorakhpur and Gorakhpur is not available in this. As you can see, the Gorakhpur is not available. So here is an option that my city is not listed here, and I can go further. And what it will do that it will put me my profile in a wait list. एक वेट लिस्ट में प्रोवाइड कर देता है मेरा प्रोफाइल. उसमें क्या होता है ना, बाद में जब यहाँ पे आएगी रिक्वायरमेंट आएगी, सो आई विल गेट अ प्रायोरिटी कि मेरे को पहले कॉल किया जाएगा. सो दिस इज द थिंग. Suppose but I will show you some, like I will select Delhi and I will continue. When I click on continue, it is showing me some basic measures, some basic eligibility. You can say that you need to be 18 plus year to work here, and two-wheeler is necessary, valid driving license is necessary, a bank account is necessary to receive your payments, and pan card is important. Pan card is very important if you're going to any job or any part-time job. Also pan card is important because this is a permanent account number, and from this number everything can be fetched. So this is very important. if you don't have this pan card, अगर आपके पास पैन कार्ड नहीं है तो अभी के लिए वेट कर लें, पैन कार्ड को अप्लाई करो. You can apply for pan card for now and then go further in this process. And Amazon is not Amazon employees are not eligible to participate in by continuing above requirement. If you don't have an requirement, suppose you don't have a two-wheeler or any of these things you are lacking of, मतलब कोई भी एक चीज आपके पास नहीं है, तो उस केस में आप एलिजिबल नहीं है. सीधी बात यहाँ पे लिख दी गई है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे. वी विल क्लिक ऑन कंटिन्यू एंड इट विल शो यू some like some terms and conditions. You can read this and I will just read you can read this and I will just click on I agree and accept. These are some terms and conditions that you need to read. अगर आप सीरियस इस चीज़ के लिए तो आपको रीड करना इंपॉर्टेंट है. एक बार 5 मिनट लेके पूरा रीड कर लो क्या क्या बोल रहा है वो. ओके, सो आई विल फिल माई डिटेल्स हेयर एंड कंप्लीट दिस. So as you can see that I have clicked on continue and it will ask me for your some details. If you have a GST number, you can enter your GST number. Start here and enter your GST number. And I don't have, suppose I don't have, then I will just click on no and continue. The second thing is asking for your insurance, like insurance is necessary, so it will give you some insurance, so I will accept this. Okay. And what is the third thing? Tax is important, tax. So I will click these things and I will show you what are the things. Pan card information is necessary. So see, when you will enter your pan card, it will show you in progress, like it will verify your pan card, then only what are the things, these videos, what are videos I will show you. These are the 8 videos that are necessary. It is the 8 videos in which you have to just see these videos. It is a kind of training videos, what you have to do in this and what are the measures you have to take. It will show you everything. So these are the type of videos. There are 8 videos how to collect money. It will show you a basic training videos. These are, and it will ask you some basic questions. When you will click on videos will be completed, so there will be a simple questions, very simple question related to the videos only. You can complete that for sure. I will not start this, I will just click on this, and when I will refresh this, when all the ticks, you can see that first GST number is ticked, green tick is there, and insurance also green tick is there. जब सारे में ऐसे green tick आ जाता है तो यहाँ पे मेरे पास एक कॉल आएगी. They will call me and they will tell about the work and about they will call me, they will give a date. एक डेट मिलती है और उसमें हमको बुलाया जाता है वेयर हाउस पे, अमेजॉन वेयर हाउस पे, इस लोकेशन में, और आपको एक पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन दी जाती है 3 से 4 किलोमीटर के बीच में, जहाँ पे आपको सारे पैकेजेस डिलीवर करने होते हैं, जो कि आप 2 घंटे का भी सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. 3 सेक्शंस होते हैं, 2 घंटे का, 4 घंटे का, 6 घंटे का, अकॉर्डिंग टू योर अवेलेबिलिटी. किस दिन आप काम कर सकते हो उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. नथिंग कोई भी ऐसा नहीं है कि डेली आना ज़रूरी है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. सो दिस वॉज अ पार्ट टाइम जॉब we were talking about. So in this video we have talked about Amazon Flex, about everything, how to apply, what are the things, what are the measures you need to take when you are going through this application. We have talked about everything, and I will tell you one thing, that if you want to sign up for Amazon Flex, if you are serious about it, just complete it. It is very you can get some money if you are a college student and you have some spare time, like Saturday Sunday को खाली रहते हैं तो वो 2 दिन 4 घंटे 6 घंटे दे के अपना कुछ पैसे कमा सकते हैं. वी कैन अर्न सम पॉकेट मनी एंड वी कैन सम एक्सपीरियंस भी हो जाएगा, कुछ एक्सपीरियंस भी हो जाएगा पार्ट टाइम जॉब का. सो इट विल बी अ गुड थिंग. अच्छी जॉब है, सही जॉब है, अमेजॉन दे रहा है, अच्छा जॉब है. डिलीवरी पार्टनर का डिलीवरी करनी है, बहुत ज़्यादा वो नहीं है, बस एक 2 व्हीलर होना नेसेसरी है. 2 व्हीलर इज़ नेसेसरी, और ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस नेसेसरी है, और 18 साल से ऊपर होना नेसेसरी है. जैसे मैंने एलिजिबिलिटी आपको दिखाया, आई हैव शोन यू एलिजिबिलिटी अबाउट एवरीथिंग. So if you like this video, please hit that like button and go and subscribe to our channel, because we are uploading these kind of videos on job notifications, on job updates, on job interviews, on interview tips, everything we are posting. On part-time jobs we are posting everything. So just subscribe to our channel, press that bell icon so you never miss an update. Whenever we upload a video, you get a notification, एक notification मिले आपको. So thank you for watching this video. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, so follow me on Instagram. We can have a chit chat over there also, and you can join our Telegram channel. like there also I am been posting many materials also related to different interviews, tips and materials related to aptitudes, so you can join that. And मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. वी विल मीट यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम.